parfait using our homemade whipped cream. Now this is a fun one to get the kids involved in because hey, they love the layer stuff, and it's fresh fruit, and it's yummy, and it's grubbing. It's good. Start with some low-fat Greek yogurt, fresh sliced strawberries, so parents please slice your strawberries before you have the kids come in, our whipped cream, blueberries, and some granola. Now you can put the layers in any way that you like, but let's start with our yogurt because it provides a good solid base for our parfait. Sometimes fruit can be a little heavy, so we want to have some good support in there. So just a little dollop, and then we take our strawberries, spread them around. You can add as much or as little as you'd like. We add a little dollop of our whipped cream, some blueberries, let's do a little bit more yogurt right there. I'm using a vanilla because it pairs great with everything else. You can use different flavored yogurts if you'd like, but vanilla is pretty good. Another layer of strawberries. And our whipped cream. Yes, it gets messy. No worries, that's the fun part, right? And then add in your blueberries, another dollop of some whipped cream, and then your granola. You can sprinkle some on top, or you could add some in between the layers if you like. It's all up to you. But this is a great summertime treat. There you go. All right, everybody, so get your kids, get in the kitchen, and let's get creative. Bye.